So that way I can have something in Canvas. All right, remember, it's a quadratic. A, B, C. So if we're using the quadratic formula, and this is the formula, you're just going to substitute. So let me set up parentheses. Now, there are common mistakes. And as I walk around and you guys solve them, I'll recognize them. Some of you make this little radical a little too short. Some of you will shorten this fraction bar to only this number, and then you divide and you leave this as just no division. So please, it's a long radical, it's a long division, okay? All right, so markers. A is 1, so every time I see an A, I'm going to plug in a 1, right? This is green. B is 5, positive 5, so I'm going to put a 5 every time I see B. And what don't I have? Is there orange? Oh, here's orange. And then orange is negative 6. So negative 6 is C. Okay. So all you do is substitute. And then you just go into your calculator and load it up, right? So what I see is what I type. Oh wait, no, I did that right. Oh, you can't see. 2, 1. Okay, so I put everything in the calculator. I know the lighting sucks on this. Okay, everything's in there. I hit equal. And I get 1, right? Okay, so that's one of my answers, one of my solutions. What's the other one? Hit that 9 o'clock, right? That round button to the left, go all the way back. Make the addition a subtraction, hit equal, and I get negative 6. And that's it. So you do want to make sure you can put things into the calculator. Okay, now let's solve it by hand. I know I'm like so far away. Oh, okay, you guys forgot I was recording. I was just letting it go. Okay, let's solve it by hand. Whoopsie. I'm like way on the other side of the room. All right, a negative times a 5 is negative 5. Plus or minus square root. 5 squared is 25. This is one big product. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 6 is positive 24. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, keep going. Negative 5 plus or minus 25 plus 24 is 49. 2 is the denominator. And now you have a beautiful perfect square. What's the square root of 49? 7. So this is going to become 7. And now you do your two cases. By the way, the division of the denominator is the last step you do. It's a very common question. It's the last step you do. That 2 trails until the very end, because negative 5 plus 7 is 2. Now the denominator comes in. It is the last thing you do. So what's 2 divided by 2? 1. I have that. Negative 12. What's negative 12 divided by 2? Negative 6. So, like I said, quadratic formula, you guys are really good with it. You just have to be very careful about sign errors and and just make sure you divide at the very end. Those are the only minor mistakes you make, but conceptually, you're awesome at this. Okay, eventually there will be negatives on that worksheet, so we'll get into it on Monday. But again, it's just your calculator. Okay, so you guys can put them back. I'll hit stop on this. It'll be like a really long video, but that's okay. Tell me when you're done writing. It disappears. Yeah, you're good? Thanks.